Hello, dear students. In our previous class, we have discussed about stem and its modifications. In this class, let us study the leaf and its modifications. Leaf. What is leaf? Leaf may be defined as a lateral, flattened, green, photosynthetic structure borne on the stem at the nodal region, bearing a bud in its axil. So, what is the meaning of this definition? If we analyze the meaning of the definition, leaf is a lateral structure. Lateral structure means it is an appendage. It is an outgrowth of the plant body. Flattened. Flattened means it is dorsi-ventrally compressed structure. You have seen root and stem. Root and stem, they are cylindrical structures. But the leaf is not like that. It is flattened. Green. Normally the leaf is green. And it is borne on the stem. The main function is photosynthesis. Where the leaf is born? The leaf is born at the nodal region only. If we examine the leaf, in the axil of a leaf, we find a bud. The bud is called axillary bud. Okay. What is axil? Axil means the angle between the stem and the leaf stalk, petiole, is called the axil. Okay, that's all the definition of the leaf. If we examine the leaf, as I already told you, in its axil, normally or generally having a bud or bearing a bud. So this bud develops into a branch. It means the axillary bud develops into a branch. The leaves originate from shoot apical meristem. Shoot apical meristem. At the tip of the stem or growing apex, there is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue means dividing tissue. From this meristematic tissue, the leaves are born. And they are arranged in acropetalous manner. What is this acropetalous manner? It means the older leaves at the base and younger leaves at the top. Such an arrangement is called acropetalous arrangement. In brief, the leaves originate from the apical meristem and they are always arranged in acropetalous manner. Then, what is the function of leaf? The primary function or the main function of the leaf is photosynthesis. Apart from this, it also takes part in respiration. That is exchange of gases. The leaf also takes part in transpiration. That is evaporation of water. In monocots, it protects the growing tip. Okay, these are the functions of leaf. Now, so far we have seen the definition of the leaf, the function of leaf. Now we shall see the parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf means a simple leaf, you can say. Parts of a leaf. Let us see. Observe the diagram. You will find leaf base. You will find leaf blade or the lamina. You will find the midrib, the veins. You will find the petiole and the stipules, veins and veinlets, even leaf apex. A typical leaf, you may take hibiscus as an or show flower leaf as a typical leaf. The typical leaf consists of three main parts. What are the three main parts? Leaf base, petiole, lamina. Leaf base, petiole, and lamina. Now we shall explain one by one. Leaf base. The leaf is attached to the stem by the leaf base. See the diagram. How the leaf is attached to the stem? With the help of leaf base, it attached to the stem. This is in case of dicots. If we examine monocots, in monocots, the leaf base is expanded into a sheath-like structure, covering the stem partially or even completely. ನೀವು ಅಡಿಕೆ ಮರ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಅಡಿಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೀಫಿನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮಿನ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಡಿಕೆ ಪಟ್ಟೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಶೀತಿಂಗ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಬೇಸ್. That is, in monocots, the leaf base is expanded into a sheath-like structure we call sheathing leaf base. If you examine some plants like groundnut, the members of the family Fabaceae or Leguminaceae, groundnut, kadlekai gida. In leguminous plants, for example, groundnut. In groundnut, the leaf base is swollen. Swollen means it is thick and it is called pulvinous leaf base. In leguminous plant, the base is pulvinous in nature. Okay. Now, you'll see the stalk of the leaf. The stalk of the leaf is called petiole. What do you call? Petiole. ಎಲೆ ತೊಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಲೆ ತೊಟ್ಟು. If it is present, the leaf is called petiolate. If it is absent, we call sessile. In monocots, we call sessile. Monocots ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. At the base, it shows two leaf-like structures called stipules. Stipules, they are not leaves, leaf-like structure. If the stipules are present, the leaf is just explained or described as stipulate. What is the function of petiole? Petiole extends the lamina and helps in getting more sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay. Next, third part. The lamina. The lamina or leaf blade. It is a major part in the leaf. It is normally or generally green in color. Green means it takes part in photosynthesis. That is what we call green. It shows midrib. The strong vein we call midrib. And it is branched into veins. Further branches are called veinlets. This midrib veins and veinlets helps in transport of water, even food and minerals. Okay, that's all. The leaf blade. If we examine the margin, the shape of the leaf, different shapes are there. Say for example, some leaves are ovate, oval. Some are heart-shaped. Some are arrow-shaped. Like that. Margin of the leaf, we call leaf margin. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Okay. Surface of the surface. If you examine the leaf surface, some are dark green in color and shiny. Some leaves having hairs on the surface. And incision of lamina varies in different leaves. Incision means deep cuttings. So that's all the typical leaf. Okay. See the diagram. Different parts of the leaves are there. It is actually the leaf of hibiscus plant. This is your textbook diagram or NCERT diagram. Okay. See the sheathing leaf base. Next, Venetian. You see these two leaves. One leaf is dicot leaf and right side leaf is monocot leaf. Venation is most important for the examination. Venation. What is venation? The arrangement of veins and veinlets in a leaf blade is called venation. If you examine the leaves, how the veins and veinlets are arranged in the leaf, this we call venation. If you examine carefully in dicot leaf, for example, sunflower or hibiscus leaf, that is show flower leaf, it is net-like. ಬಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಇದು. Veinlets. We call reticulate. See the diagram. The reticulate venation is characteristic of dicots only. As I told you, the vein and veinlets form a net-like structure, and it is called reticulate venation. Example, sunflower, hibiscus, or people leaf, early ಮರದ ಎಲೆ, ಆಲದ ಎಲೆ, etc. Next, see the right side diagram. That is monocot. In case of monocots, the veins and veinlets, the veins you can say now, they run parallel to each other. They do not form net-like structure. Such an arrangement is called parallel venation. Very common, that is grass leaves. What is parallel venation? If the veins run parallelly to each other, then we call parallel venation. Okay, characteristic of monocots. So this is venation is important for the examination. Next, types of leaves. The leaves are mainly classified into two types: simple leaves and compound leaves. How to define simple leaves? How to define compound leaves? For example, simple leaf. Simple leaf, example, hibiscus leaf. Just now you have seen the leaf. Okay. The simple leaf is one in which the leaf blade is entire. Entire means that the leaf blade is not dissected. Such leaves are called simple leaf. Once again, simple leaf is a type of leaf in which leaf blade is not dissected or divided. It is entire. Suppose if it is incised, divide agidre, the division is not touching the midrib. Midrib ge touch ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is simple leaf. Now we shall see the compound leaf. Compound leaf. The compound leaf is one in which the leaf blade is divided or dissected into small parts. called leaflets. Leaflets. We call it as pinna. Pinna. Okay. This is the difference between simple leaf and compound leaf. Now we shall see types of compound leaves. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Compound leaves are classified into two types. Pinnately compound and palmately compound. See the diagram. Pinnately compound is a type of leaf in which the leaflets are borne on the axis. We call rachis. Axis is called rachis. If the leaflets are borne on the rachis, then we call pinnately compound. Neem leaf. ಬೇವಿನ ಎಲೆ, ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಎಲೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಗಿಡ, ಕರಿಬೇವಿನ ಎಲೆ. Feather like. The leaves are feather like. Palmately compound. The leaves looks like a palm. Palm ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಗೈ, ಅಂಗೈ ಕೈ, ಅಂಗೈ ಕಣ್ಣಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. In example, silk cotton. In this type of leaf, the leaflets appear to be born from a common point. See the diagram of silk cotton. Okay. The leaves looks like a palm. Okay. Then another most important thing is for the examination, phyllotaxy. See the diagram, definitely given in the examination. What is phyllotaxy? A pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branches is called phyllotaxy. It means the mode of arrangement of leaves. ಬೇರೆ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೀವ್ಸು ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಅವನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನೇಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ದಿ pattern of arrangement or the mode of arrangement of leaves on the stem and the branch is called phyllotaxy. How the leaves are arranged on the stem. Okay. Then classification of phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is classified into three types. Alternate type, opposite type, whorled type. It is for 3 marks, 3-mark question. Alternate phyllotaxy. Example, hibiscus, sunflower, mustard, etc. Hibiscus ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ another name China rose ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. In hibiscus, only one leaf is born at the nodal region. Alternatively, it is called alternate phyllotaxy. Sometimes we call it a spiral phyllotaxy. Spiral is nothing but alternate. If you draw a line, it takes spiral course. What is alternate phyllotaxy? If only one leaf is born at each node alternatively, then it is called alternate phyllotaxy. Opposite phyllotaxy, ಕ್ಯಾಲೋಟ್ರೋಪಿಸ್, ಎಕ್ಕೆ ಗಿಡ, ಬಸವನಪಾದ ಗಿಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ, ಗೋವಾ ಬಿಕ್ಕೇನಿನ ಗಿಡ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ a pair of leaves are born oppositely at the nodal region. A pair of leaves, ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. We call opposite phyllotaxy. It is having another two types, opposite decussate and opposite okay. Horald phyllotaxy. In case of Alstonia, Nerium, ಕನಗಲ್ ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ, in this type of phyllotaxy, more than two leaves are born at the nodal region. If more than two leaves are born at the nodal region, then we call oral phyllotaxy. Alstonia, commonly known as devil's tree ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Nerium, ಕನಗಲ್ ಗಿಡ, very common one. Okay, that's all about phyllotaxy.